Hello and welcome. My name is Vikile. I'm going to show you a sukus kind of lick which uses pentatonic scales. I would say there's some pentatonic scales used in Kanda songs. So I'll do that later when I do cover licks. But right now I just want to show you the pentatonic licks, and then you go on and play a major scale or some arpeggiation if you want of major chords. So here is the song, the lick. There are two licks here that you have to pay attention to, and we're playing this in the key of B flat. This is another B flat here. Okay, so I will explain that later on. Let me play the. So that's the lick there. Sorry, my speaker is facing away from me. So this is the explanation. We are in the key of B flat, and B flat is right here in the second. We're playing in the higher registers. That's one key thing that you may want to know. The two keys, for example, that you may want to use when you're playing sukus or any type of music. You must make sure you tune to the sound, the correct sound of that type of music. So in this case, I've chosen. There's a little bit of reverb there, and some distortion in my sound, and you got to look at the sound. And number two is you got to play in the correct registers. Of course, you can play down here. Now, what happens with music is the rhythm guitar and the lead guitar have got to have some contrast in sounds. You might find the rhythm guitar is played down here, and then the lead guitar in the upper registers. So we are playing here in the key of B flat. This is our B in the 12th fret, and this is B flat here. Now, if you do a do re mi fa sol la ti do, that's where we want to play. That's one key for playing this type of music. You got to find a root on the second string, and then you take an octave. Okay, you take an octave, or you have to find a C shape of that chord. Then you progress to the G shape. So you go through the A shape, then the G shape of that chord. Now you know that the roots of the G shape are, sorry, the on the 6th string, 3rd string, and 1st string. So that's your octave there. That's the key place where you want to play your lick. You can play it on any other place around here. So you can either take that octave there, or the other octave other octave is that by counting do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, do from this one, which means if you are to do that, you're gonna do a C shape, sorry, C shape, until you get to another C shape. That's a head. So that's the we cannot hold that chord there anyway. But let me show you what I'm doing there. When I get to this shape here, which is this is a B and the B flat, I do a pentatonic scale. It goes. Now the pentatonic scale here is this one, and now you can. This is a B flat major pentatonic scale. Okay, B flat major pentatonic. If you want to see its minor counterpart, you put your finger here. So it's in the key of G minor as well. So you count two. You relieve two frets between the two fingers, and this one will be your minor key. So, but we're dealing in this key of B flat. Okay, so the scale is this. So okay. Okay, again. Sorry. Okay, that's where you're playing, and you're playing the. So take note of this, because we're going to develop these things in some future tutorials. Now the second leg came here. So I'm directly over the chord of B flat, which is the C shape, and the first one is directly over the chord of B flat G shape, which is that. So make sure you study the cage system, and it's gonna be easy, pretty easy for you to follow this type of music without even tab. You don't need tab. you need to know your chords, the cage system. So here's the thing. You start on the. So you start with the fourth here. Fret the fifth like that, which is a full chord is like that. So fret it halfway like that, and then you play. So it's actually string number 4, 3, and 1. Then you change to. In fact, you're ascending this chord. So end up with that tread there. That's a tread there. If I remove that. Okay, so those are the two licks there that are in that piece of music. So let's play that again just to conclude. Okay, so you could see that here I've added this note here. Now, this is your third here. 1, 2, 3. So you can. Then you slide. So these are the techniques used. Sliding, the sliding technique. So look at this. I slide. It's a quiet slide. I can actually do it. That's a little variation which you might actually do when you're playing this song and enjoying it. And the other. So make sure you master that, but just to master that in the very basic form. You can hear that it's a nice sound. Damn. Thank you very much. My name is Vikile. Please subscribe to this. You know, it's an endless series of licks. So we're gonna do them until I don't know. Thank you very much. My name is Vikile. Until you know how to play them.